Today's video is sponsored by kickmax.ru, a fantastic website for all your sneaker and fashion needs. Where you can find an incredible selection of sneakers and apparel from top brands like Air Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Gucci, and more. At kickmax.ru, you'll discover a wide range of products, including the latest Air Jordans, Nike Kobe, Yeezy, and Adidas sneakers. They also offer a variety of stylish apparel and accessories from high-end brands like Gucci. One of the best features of kickmax.ru is their weekly deals section. Here, you can find amazing discounts on your favorite products, ensuring you get the best value for your money. And there's more. Use the discount code TBP at checkout to get an additional 15% off your purchase. It's a great way to save even more on top of their already fantastic prices. Kickmax.ru is currently offering free shipping on all orders. Plus, if you join their Discord or connect via WhatsApp, you'll receive a special 25% off code. Just click the link in the description box to join. When shopping at kickmax.ru, you can trust that you're getting high-quality products. They ensure that every item is authentic and in excellent condition, so you can shop with confidence. Their customer service is top-notch, ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. They aim to provide a seamless shopping experience from start to finish. Navigating the kickmax.ru website is easy and user-friendly. You can quickly find what you're looking for with their well-organized categories and search function. Don't just take my word for it, check out the testimonials from satisfied customers on their site. Many users praise the quality of the products, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. To stay updated with the latest deals and releases, be sure to join their Discord community and follow them on WhatsApp at +853 6852 5066. You'll be the first to know about exclusive offers and new arrivals. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit kickmax.ru for all your sneaker and fashion needs, and don't forget to use the discount code TBP for 15% off. The link to their website is in the description box below. Until next time, happy shopping.